All right, back to finding the distance from a point to a line. Step 4. We've written the original equation. Let's move down to the one we're actually going to do here. We've written our original equation in slope-intercept form, and we've found the equation of a line that is perpendicular to the original line and passes through the given point. And we've written that equation in slope-intercept form as well. So now we're going to take these two expressions, 8x plus 39 and negative 1/8 x minus 1. We're going to set them equal to each other and solve for x in order to find the x-coordinate of the point of intersection. And we're going to have to go back and substitute that value for x into each of these expressions to find out what the y-coordinate is for that point of intersection. And we're going to do both of them so that we make sure we get the same answer both times. All right, so let's take a look here. We have step 4, negative 1/8 x minus 1 equals 8x plus 39. So first thing, I just don't like this negative 1/8 here. So I'm going to get rid of it by multiplying everything by 8. So that gives us negative x minus 8 equals 64x plus 8 times 39, which is some really big number. Let's get our calculator out. Let's see. 8 times 39, 312. Okay. 312. All right. So let's see. Let's add x to both sides. And that gives us negative 8 equals 65x plus 312. Then subtract 312 from both sides. That gives us negative 320 equals 65x. And then we're going to divide by 65 on both sides to get negative 320 over 65 equals x. And I notice that both these numbers are divisible by 5, so I know this fraction can be reduced. And let's use the good old power of the calculator. Negative 320, ABC 65 to reduce it for us. Just hit enter. It gives us negative 4 and 12/13. I'm going to go second, ABC, enter, and that turns it into an improper fraction, which is really the better way to represent this. So we've got negative 64 over 13. Negative 64 over 13 equals x. Now we're going to go back and find out what our y value is by substituting that value for x into each of these. Let's take a look. And here's where, again, I'm just going to use the power of the fraction calculator. Negative 1 ABC 8 times x, which is negative 64 over 13. So negative 64 ABC 13, and then minus 1 gives us negative 5/13. And I'm just going to kind of write this over here. Negative 5/13. That's what we get on that side. On the other side, we've got 8 times negative 64 ABC 13. So 8 times x plus 39 plus 39 gives us negative 5/13. So we got negative 5/13 on this side, which means we substitute this ugly number for x, negative 64 over 13, into both of these expressions, and we get the same y value, which is negative 5 over 13. So our point of intersection is negative 64 over 13, that's the x-coordinate, comma, negative 5 over 13. And that's our y-coordinate. So see if you can handle the next one on your own. So down here, we're just going to set negative 1/8 x plus 1 equal to 8x plus 31. And then we're going to have to solve for x and then substitute that ugly fractional value back into both of these expressions. Hopefully you'll get the same y both times. And if you do, that's your y coordinate, and the x value is your x coordinate. Give it a shot. All right, good luck.